Honestly, I feel like the most intriguing thing about funerals or funeral directing is, well, I mean, really all of it. That's why I enjoy it. I like um, the fact that I can be there for families, I can support families, and just simply be somebody to listen to, you know, their loved ones and what they been through and the situation that they've been in and um, the just a lot of support for them. I like being able to set up for funerals, arrange the flowers, set the plants where they need to go, make it look presentable and um, like you care, like you like you're part of the family and you want it to be the best experience they have had or can have. You want to, not as well be there for the family, but also be there for the person that's passed. Make sure that their last memory on earth is, you know, a good one, be a part of their family and their viewings. Just mainly be there for families, be there for loved ones, um, setting up for them, making sure that everything's nice and neat and in order for the next procedure to go on. Um, the next thing that I enjoy doing is to I mean I really like everything to do with it. I mean down to the first call, picking them up, being there with the family, saying that I'm sorry for their loss. Just, from the beginning of it till, their loved ones is laid in the ground. Honestly, uh, I can't think of one thing that I don't enjoy of the funeral business, and that's one of the reasons that I have went down this path and, looked into going to school and now doing it. And it's hard because, haven't been in school in so long, but I enjoy it and I think that I will be good at it. Um, and I keep saying, a lot of it is just, caring for family, making sure that their loved ones are going to, have, they're going to be able to say goodbye one last time to their loved one in a special way, honestly, whether it be cremation or burial or, whatever, just for them to, I guess just to have their last goodbyes to the family, to their loved ones. And I can't sit here and think of one thing that doesn't that would run me off from this. I'll enjoy it. Um, I'm looking forward to working the rest of my life at this and being as good as I can and being there for families and loved ones and everybody as much as I can and to care about them and to, you know, be there for them. Well, I guess I'll quit rambling. I guess the main thing I like enjoy doing is pretty much everything. Everything that it has to do with funeral directing. Um, and I'm just new at this and learning it, but I plan on, learning much more and going the distance it takes to be the best I can be. Thanks.